Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve our exercise 11.2. Here you have given a problem number first. In each you have given a figure. Figure number first. You have given this type of figure. This type of figure in which point C 65 degree and point A 45 degree this angle. Given that, you have to find out this angle named B. So first of all, you have to use here the definition, the property of the triangle, that the sum of trio interior angles of any triangle become 180 degree. Okay. So from here we find out that angle A B C plus angle B C A plus angle C A B is equal to 180 degree. From here we have to find out angle ABC. Then angle ABC is equal to 180 degree minus angle BCA. BCA is given that 65 degree plus here angle CAB. CAB also given that 45 degree. Okay. Then from here angle ABC is equal to 180 minus 5, 5, 10, 0, 1, 1, 4, 5, 6, 11, 1 there. Then became 70 degree. Okay, this is our solution. Now again, you have to find out all these problems. In problem number second, you have here given that state in which of the following cases the angles can be possible for a triangle. So you know that if the sum of given these trio angles, these three angles become 180 degree, then this property can be satisfied for any triangle. And if this is not satisfied, then you have not found any triangle. So first of all, in B, here given that 90, 40, 50. First of all, we add these 90 plus 40 plus 50 implies that given that 180 degree. So this can be formed. This property can be satisfied the property of triangle. So it will be possible that by these angles we can form any triangle. Okay. From here, problem number E. Now problem number C, given that 60, 40 and 100, and here given that 100. Okay. So from here 100 plus 40 plus 60. Okay. So here also became 200. And now this cannot satisfy the property of any triangle. Okay, so it not may be possible. Again, in problem number 3, we have given that here in triangle ABC, BC is produced to D. Here you have given a triangle, this type of triangle ABC. A, B, C produce D in which ACD is equal to 110 degree. This given that 110 degree and ABC is equal to 70 degree. Here you have given that ABC is equal to 70 degree. Then you have to find the triangle BAC. We have to find the triangle BAC. So we know that triangle BAC is equal to triangle ACD minus triangle ABC minus triangle ABC. Okay, because of, you have to write here, because of exterior angle ACD. Okay. Because you know that the any exterior angle of any triangle also is equal equal to the sum of two interior angles in any triangle. Okay, so from here we know that angle BAC is equal to angle ACD equal to 110 degree minus angle ABC 70 degree. So we find out 110 minus 70 degree is equal to 40 degree. So this is your answer. Now again you have to solve problem number 4. In problem number 4 you have given that if the angles of a triangle measures x plus 10, 2x plus 20, 3x, find all the angles of a triangle. Also establish type of triangle is this. So first of all, x plus 40 degree plus 2x plus 20 degree plus we have given that here plus 3x degree is equal to 180 degree. Okay, from here implies that x plus 2x plus 3x is equals to 6x plus 40 plus 20 plus 60 is equal to 180 degree. Then 6x is equal to 180 minus 60. Then 6x is equal to 120 degree. Then x is equal to 120 upon 6 is equal to 20 degree. Then x plus 40 is equal to 20 plus 40 is equal to 60 degree. Again putting the value of x in next angle, 2x plus 20 is equal to 2 into 20 plus 20 is equal to 60 degree. And again 3x is equal to also 3 into 20 is equal to 60 degree. So this is an equilateral triangle because you know that an equilateral triangle, now sorry, according to angle, this is a okay, this is an equilateral triangle. Okay, so this is your answer. Here the triangle is same, and in equilateral triangle also the triangle is same. Okay, so again we have to solve question number 5. In problem number 5, we have given that the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2, ratio 3, ratio 4. Find all the angles. So here given that 2x plus 3x plus 4x is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 2, 3, 5, 4, 9x is equal to 180 degree. Then x is equal to 20 degree. Then 2x is equal to 40 degree, 3x is equal to 60 degree, 4x is equal to 80 degree. By putting the value of x in these triangles, we find that. Okay, so this is your answer. Now again we have to solve problem number 6, in which you have to given that the acute angles of a right angle triangle are in the ratio 3, ratio 2. Find the angles of the triangle. So first of all, here given that we sketch a figure in which this is right angle triangle and this given triangle in 3 ratio 2. So suppose that the two angle B 2x and 3x, then by property of the triangle 2x plus 3x plus 90 is equal to 180. Then 5x is equal to 180 minus 90. Then 5x is equal to 90. Then x is equal to 90 upon 5 is equal to 18. Then x is equal to 18 degree. Putting the value of x is equal to 18 degree in these two angles, we find that 2x is equal to 2 into 18 is equal to 36 degree, and 3x is equal to 3 into 18 is equal to 54 degree. This is our answer. Okay. From here again we have to solve our problem number 7 is also easy problem and 8 is also easy. You have to solve it. Problem number 9. This is a little bit of each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is twice the third angle. Find the angles of the triangle. So here first of all let the third angle be x. Here given that two equal angles of an isosceles triangle is twice two equal angles of isosceles triangle is twice of x. Then other two angles b 2x and 2x. So by definition 2x plus 2x plus x is equal to 180. Then 5x is equal to 180. Then x is equal to 180 upon 5. Then from here we find x is equal to 36 degree. Then other two angle is equal to 2x and 2x is equal to 72 degree by putting the value of x in these two angles. Okay. Now time is over and we stop here on writing. We solve other figurative problems next day. Thank you children.